I was sent this keyboard to do an honest review for. This is the TK950 wireless typewriter keyboard and mouse. This keyboard is really cool. It's first of all, it is such a beautiful keyboard. It's a very pretty pink color, and then the keys light up, and then also the mouse is really unique and pretty as well. And I just love the background of the keys. It's really nice to look at nighttime as well. And then all of it just has a nice feel to it. It also is a mechanical like style keyboard. So the keys make a really nice sound when you're typing. I'm really happy with this keyboard. It just looks so beautifully made and it fits my aesthetic at my desk as well. So would definitely recommend this if you like pink and you want a mechanical style keyboard.